Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing digital marketing? In the current digital age, artificial intelligence is becoming an indispensable tool in the realm of marketing. It's not just about fancy robots and science fiction anymore. AI is here, and it's transforming the way we approach marketing strategies. Picture this: an algorithm that can analyze consumer behavior, predict trends, and tailor promotions to individual needs, all in real time. This is the power of AI in digital marketing. It's about targeted advertising that hits the bullseye every time, and customer service that doesn't just react but anticipates. It's about being smarter, faster, and more personalized than ever before. AI doesn't replace the human touch in marketing, it enhances it, making our efforts more effective and efficient. It's the perfect synergy of human creativity and machine precision. And the best part, we're only scratching the surface of its potential. Now, let's delve into the practical tips from Ash Mufareh on how to incorporate AI into your digital marketing strategy. But first, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel big, and with your help, I will be successful. Thanks, and please also like and comment below. I appreciate it. To begin with, Ash Mufareh emphasizes the value of understanding your audience. A vital aspect of any marketing strategy is knowing who you're talking to. And artificial intelligence can help you do just that. Think of AI as your intelligent assistant, constantly learning and evolving to help you understand your audience better. It can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, giving you insights into your customers' behavior. Imagine knowing what your customers want before they even realize it themselves. That's the power of AI, but it doesn't stop at understanding customer behavior. AI can also predict future trends, helping you stay one step ahead in the game. It uses past and present data to forecast what's likely to happen next, allowing you to adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. AI can also personalize your marketing efforts. It can tailor your messages to suit each customer's preferences, creating a more engaging and meaningful experience for them. Mufareh suggests using AI to segment your audience and create more targeted marketing campaigns. This way, you can ensure that your messages are relevant and impactful. And the best part, AI can do all these while you focus on other important aspects of your business. It's like having a dedicated team working around the clock, ensuring that your marketing efforts are always on point. Remember, understanding your audience is the first step in any successful marketing strategy. Next, Ash Mufareh points out the power of AI in enhancing the customer experience. Now, let's dive a little deeper into this. AI has an incredible ability to revolutionize customer service. It can swiftly handle customer queries, provide instant support, and resolve issues, all while maintaining a human-like interaction. Chatbots, for instance, are a prime example of AI in action. Available 24/7, they can answer frequently asked questions, guide customers through processes, and even escalate issues when necessary. This leads to less waiting time for customers and more efficient operations for businesses. Moving to the shopping experience, AI can personalize this like never before. Ever wondered how online platforms seem to know exactly what you're interested in? That's AI at work. By analyzing browsing history, past purchases, and clicks, AI can provide tailored product recommendations. This not only makes shopping easier for customers, but also increases the likelihood of conversions for businesses. AI also plays a significant role in boosting customer engagement. It can analyze patterns in customer behavior to predict future actions, enabling businesses to proactively meet customers' needs. For example, AI can identify when a customer is likely to churn and trigger an automated response to re-engage them. This predictive power of AI can help businesses retain customers and keep them engaged. Now let's look at some of Mufareh's tips on optimizing customer interactions using AI. First, he emphasizes the importance of integrating AI smoothly into the customer journey. This means using AI to complement human interaction, not replace it. Next, he advises businesses to always prioritize customer needs when implementing AI. This could mean using AI to simplify processes, provide relevant content, or offer personalized support. Lastly, Mufareh suggests continuously testing and tweaking AI tools to ensure they are meeting customer expectations and driving the desired results. As Mufareh suggests, a superior customer experience can be a game changer in your digital marketing efforts. So, with the right use of AI, you're not just enhancing the customer experience, you're setting your business up for digital marketing success. Lastly, Ash Mufareh talks about harnessing AI to streamline marketing operations. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are automated, leaving you more time to focus on the core aspects of your strategy. With AI, this is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. AI can take over mundane tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and even some aspects of customer service, freeing up your team to concentrate on creativity and innovation. Now, let's talk about optimization. In the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. AI proves to be an indispensable ally in this regard. It can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize ad campaigns, ensuring your advertisements reach the right audience at the right time. From adjusting bids in real time to predicting customer behavior, AI can enhance your campaign's effectiveness and return on investment. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also provide valuable insights that humans might overlook. It can sift through mountains of data to identify patterns, trends, and opportunities, giving you a competitive edge in the market. So, how do you integrate AI into your marketing operations? Mufareh suggests starting small. Begin by automating simple tasks and gradually incorporate more complex AI applications as your comfort level and understanding grow. It's about striking a balance between technology and human touch. Incorporating AI into your operations, as Mufareh advises, can elevate your marketing strategy to new heights. Let's summarize what we've learned from Ash Mufareh's insights. The synergy of artificial intelligence and digital marketing is a game changer. AI allows us to understand our audience better. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals what your customers want even before they know it themselves. Next, we delved into enhancing the customer experience. AI can personalize interactions, making your customers feel valued and understood. It's like having a dedicated personal assistant for each and every customer. Lastly, we discussed streamlining marketing operations. AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and creativity. It's like having a tireless team working around the clock to optimize your marketing efforts. Remember, these aren't just tips. They're the pillars of a successful digital marketing strategy in the era of AI. With these tips from Ash Mufareh, you're now ready to take your digital marketing strategy to the next level with AI. For more information about digital marketing and making money on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you very much.